So, it's getting cold. Like cold, cold, cold. Like tonight is supposed to be like 4 degrees and tomorrow is like -6 or some shit like that. So, I'm doing a motel. Without the diesel heater in, I just don't want to... it's a cheap motel. It is a very, very cheap... There's being... He didn't quite get the love seat he got last time. But, yeah, it's... Cheap piece of crap motel. But you know what? It's going to be warm. And that's all that matters right now. So... Yep. It's van life. Sometimes... You gotta just take care of yourself first. So it's about 6:30 in the morning. It's 5 degrees outside. But I had a nice warm night in the hotel or motel, and I'm walking down to 7-Eleven. I know I could drive, but it's a block away. I could walk a block in snow and 5 degree temperature. Ah. Whew. Gotta love it. Well, got my coffee. Nice and hot. Kind of gross, but whatever. Head back to the room. Enjoyed this gross coffee. Have my donut. Alright, let's see what it's like out there. Oh man, it is coming down. My little home. Whew. Been going like this all day long. Okay, so you guys know I'm terrible at filming things. I was just gonna try and back out this morning, and I got stuck with the snow and all that crap. I put my chains on, and that didn't work very well. My chains kept popping off. So, some guy finally showed up in the motel. He's going to shovel everything out, and hopefully that'll help me get out. If I can't, he's offered to tow me out. So, inside my van, everything looks alright. I mean, I think everything in there is probably frozen solid. You can see ice crystals in there. Yep. Water jug. Frozen solid. And the van, of course, is a mess. And that noise is, they're blowing the driveway out. So I just went to the store. I got some stuff. Some, gonna be stuck in that motel room for the rest of the day. Hopefully not tomorrow. I don't want to stay in the motel room again tomorrow. But I might. I'm still kind of weird about recording in stores and stuff, you know. I've been doing this, recording my van life it's about April, you know. I don't know, I'm still kind of weird about it. Some people don't care, they're cool with it, they're open about it, you know, they're comfortable with it. Me, not so much. I'm just still kind of weird about doing it, and other times I just totally forget to do it. I just kind of walk in and do my thing, and I'm leaving. I'm like, oh man, I probably should have filmed that. Oh, whoops. All right, well, back to the motel. This road is real sketch to walk on. I think even without snow, all the snow coming down, it's even more sketch. Cars driving by. But almost to the room, so get in there and hunker down, as they say, and just ride this out. My face is frozen from that walk. I don't know if you can see it's red. When I'm bundled up with the hat, coat, underlayer, you know, base layer. That's pretty warm walking over there. Slip my face. My beautiful face. My beautiful face. I don't know, whatever. I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm so easily entertained. Hopefully I can get the hell out of here. This place. I was gonna stay an extra night and they want to charge me double. Stay an extra night. Double. Double. Yeah, I just wanted to get the van started, made sure it still runs. I know really cold temperatures can not be good, so. But it's running, brushed off, excuse me, brushed off a lot of the snow. Damn snow brush broke, I just bought that stupid thing, so I'm gonna bring it back, exchange it. I don't know what the hell is wrong with it. But anyway, yep, still in the motel, so. I'll be here through tonight. Hopefully this winter storm will blow over or at least subside a little bit by then. And then I'll be back to the streets for me. Yeah, it's that like powdery snow, powder. So I don't know how that'll be. Hopefully it won't become like, you know, sticky, slick, or ice. I don't know. So anyway, just gonna hunker down, as they say. I know, I said it already. Whatever. Yeah, just gonna settle in the room and stay warm. So. All right. So update on the bullshit. They want to charge me $70 for an extra night. So I went online, looked for a better rate, and online I got a better rate at the same hotel. I got my room another night for $48 by going online instead of going in the office. Here for one more night. There's a guy here. He's plowing everything out, which is cool. He said if I can't get out when he's done plowing everything, he'll pull me out. And there's some better spots over there that they're plowing out right now that when they're done, I'm just going to back into those spots. So tomorrow it'll be a lot easier to go out. The thing right now what's getting me is that there's an uphill slant right here. And all that snow and trying to go uphill is just, I'm spinning out. Even with chains on, I'm spinning out. So, plus the hook and one of my cables holding the chains on broke. So, I got a bungee cord on there, which may or may not hold for like 2 seconds. We'll see. And of course, nobody has what I'm looking for. I need these, but 10 inches. 15, 31, no 10 inch. All I need is 10 inches. Why is it so hard to find? So I got the van moved out of that spot and into a much better spot. I think the big thing was that where I was parked, kind of an uphill slant. With the ice and everything, made it really difficult to get out. Plus I redid my chains and they're a little tighter, so they stayed on this time. And the guys who here did a really good job plowing everything out. So it's going to help out a lot. So I'm parked in a different spot now. This hopefully should make it much easier to get out tomorrow when I'm ready to leave. So as you can see, this spot is a lot more level than it was before. I got my chains here. one of my bungees broke. So I'm using this guy here, which is probably not going to last. I can see it's a little loose right here, but honestly, if it can last me long enough to get somewhere and get a new bungee, that's fine by me. Hopefully it won't fly off while I'm driving, so. Yeah, this is a lot better view of how I'm parked. I'm not at an uphill slant. Tilted a little bit, but basically I'm gonna be coming out straight. So, yeah, fingers crossed, guys, tomorrow that I get out of here, so. Oh, and check this out. New sticker. That's right. Shameless self-promotion, my friends, and I got another one right there. I am not above advertising myself. So I left the motel. That place is a shithole. Glad I'm gone. And I'm driving with chains on. I have not driven with chains on a car. I don't know how long. So, yeah. Just driving like crazy around me. You hear that? Is that normal? I don't know. Oh well. I'm not gonna lie. It is nerve-wracking driving these conditions. I lived in Philadelphia for 6 years, and I drove there for 6 winters. I don't know, it's like for some odd reason it was like seemed better, but this is like nerve-wracking for me right now. I mean, I think even if I had 4-wheel drive and snow tires, I'd still be like white knuckling it. I'm going like 15 miles an hour, which is probably pissing off some people, but frankly, I don't give a fuck. If they want to get mad, they can be mad. I do not plan on crashing my home whatsoever.